In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3-step sales funnel in Go High Level. We'll walk through this together from inside your Go High Level account. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your main dashboard, the first thing you want to do is go to the area where all of your web assets live. Look for the menu option labeled Sites and click on that. This is where Go High Level keeps your funnels and websites, so everything we build is going to start right here. Inside the Sites section, you'll see a tab or option for funnels. At the top right, there will be a button that says New Funnel. Click on New Funnel to start building a fresh funnel for your offer or campaign. Instead of building everything from a blank page, we're going to make this easier by starting with a pre-made layout. On the New Funnel screen, choose the option that says you want to build from a template. Using a template will save you a lot of time and help you see how a 3-step structure is usually organized. After selecting that, click on the Continue button to move forward. Go High Level will now show you a library of templates you can use. At the top, there's a search bar. Type in the kind of funnel you want, for example, dental coaching, or any niche you're working with. This helps filter the templates so you only see designs that are close to what you need. Browse through the options, and when you find a template that looks like a good starting point for your 3-step funnel, click on Choose Template. Go High Level will now add that funnel to your account. Next, go back to the funnel section under Sites so you can see the full list of funnels you have. From here, find the funnel you just created and select it. On the right side of that funnel, look for the 3 dots, often called the More Options menu, and click on those. From the drop-down, choose Edit. This opens the funnel editor. At this stage, you can customize your 3-step funnel, rename each step, adjust the headlines and text, swap out images, and connect your forms, calendars, or checkout pages. Make sure each of the 3 steps flows logically: a clear landing or opt-in, a bridge or sales page, and a final confirmation or thank you step. Once you're happy with the layout and messaging, your 3-step sales funnel in Go High Level is ready to launch.